Hello, my dear children. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Like this, you have to say yes. Welcome back to Journal English class. Journal English means which book? English Primer. And today we are going to do lesson number 6. Yes. In lesson number 6, there is a crossword. So, Miss will explain you how to do it. Okay. So, get your English Primer book out and pencil eraser out. With the help of pictures, fill in the crossword. Yes. See. With the help of pictures means here one picture is there and this is called crossword. You have to see the picture and you have to write correct spelling. Yes, some letters are given. Yes, children, but you have to fill other boxes. Understood? Yes, come on. So, this is the picture of bat. So, here it is written B-A. You have to write T, but cursive small t. Yes, children, touch the down line and write T. Put dash on T. So, which spelling completed? B-A-T, bat. Yes, understood? Now, another picture is glass. This is the picture of glass. So, here we have to write glass. But before that, what is the spelling of glass? G-L-A-S-S, glass. You have to repeat after me. Yes, again. G-L-A-S-S, glass. Double S means 2 times you have to write S. So, let's write G L A is written, children. G L A double S means 2 S we have to write. G L A double S, glass. So, this is a crossword. We finish first crossword. Crossword means horizontal and vertical line. First spelling is G-L-A double S, glass, and another spelling is B-A-T, bat. Understood, children? So, let's go ahead. See, another one, next one. Next one, this is the picture of nest. Nest means where birds lay eggs. Yes, so we write like this, nest. Nest spelling is N, write N. E is already written, N-E-S. Here you have to write S. N-E-S-T, nest. Again, come on, repeat after Miss. N-E-S-T, nest. You have to write in a cursive small letter. Yes. And another picture is hen. Hen gives us egg. Then we will write hen spelling here. Hen spelling is H-E-N. So, we will write H here. H, E is written and after E, N. So, N-E-S-T, nest, and here H-E-N, hen. Yes. Now, see which picture is this? This is the picture of cute girl. Yes. So, we will write girl spelling like this. And another picture is bean, dustbin. But we are writing bean. So, write B-I-N, bean like this. But first we will write girl spelling. Girl spelling is G-I-R-L. G-I-R-L, girl. Again say G-I-R-L, girl. And like this, which spelling we will write? Bean. Bean spelling start with B. B-I-N. B-I-N, bean. Yes, children. G-I-R-L, girl, and B-I-N, bean. Let's go ahead. Next one is picture of dog. D. Which letter sound is D? D. Yes. Then we will write dog spelling like this. D-O-G. Dog. Yes. Come on, write. D. O is return. And you have to write G. D-O-G. Dog. And another picture is shoe. Yes, if one shoe, then you have to say shoe. And if two is there, then you have to say shoes. But this is one shoe. So we will write shoe spelling. S is already written. S-H-O-E. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Yes. So D-O-G, dog, and S-H-O-E, shoe. So we finish crossword of dog and shoe. Yes. Yes. Next one is tree. Tree gives us shade, wood, pencil, rubber, so many things. Yes. So tree spelling is T-R-E-E. Tree. Double E is already written. Double E means 2E. So we will write T. You have to put dash on T. R. T-R. T-R-E-E. Tree. So one spelling we finish. Now another spelling. But first we have to see the picture. Yes, this is the picture of queen. Queen live in palace. So queen picture is Q-U-E is written. Q-U-E-E-N. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Yes, children. So tree and queen. Children, this is the picture of hut. We live in hut. Yes, in village you can see hut. Hut spelling is H-U-T. 3 letter. So 3 boxes are here. So we will write H. U is written. T we will write. Which spelling is this? H-U-T. Hut. And another picture is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Yes. So write duck spelling here. D-U-C-K. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck. And this side hut. Yes. Children, shall we go ahead? You understood what Miss is telling you? Yes, very good. This is the picture of spoon. We can eat with spoon. Spoon spelling is already S is written. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. These spellings are little big, children, but if you do practice, if you learn spelling, then you will know very fast. Yes, S is written. We will write P. S. P-O-O is written and we will write N. Then which spelling completed? S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Yes. And another picture is moon. We see moon in sky at night. Moon spelling is M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Come on, write M-O-O-N. M-O-O-N, moon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. And M-O-O-N, moon. You have to repeat after Miss. Yes, then only you will learn. So, my dear children, here we complete lesson number 6 of English Primer. You have to fill the crossword and send me in the homework. But before that, once we learn all the spelling, come on, you have to repeat after Miss. Glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Yes. Next one, bat, B-A-T, bat. Next one, H-E-N, hen. Next one, N-E-S-T, nest. Yes, you have to repeat after Miss. Next one is girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Next one, teen, T-I-N, teen. After teen, dog, D-O-G, dog. After dog, shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. Yes. Next one, moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Next one, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. H-U-T, hut. Yes, come on, say loudly, then only you will learn the spelling. Next one, queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Come on, repeat. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And tree, T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. So learn the spelling, write in English Primer and send me homework with the very good handwriting. Yes children, bye, thank you, see you in the next video.